Hello, this is Theo Marshall of MarineMax Boston, and I'm in the brand new 2019 Boston Whaler 17 Montauk. Starting at the back here, we have a 115 horsepower 4-stroke Mercury engine, along with identical seats on the port and starboard side. We move our way up, we can see the bench here in front of the helm, which is adjustable, so it can face both ways. At the helm, we have the gauges, switches, our throttle, and the stainless steel helm to match the stainless steel railing going around the boat. The interior of the console leaves plenty of room for storage, as well as a compass and cup holders. The cup holders continue up towards the bow, along with additional rod holders and a cooler that doubles as a seat. Up at the bow, you have the big lounge pad for tanning out, with plenty of storage underneath. Again, this is the 2019 Boston Whaler 17 Montauk. For any additional information, please give us a call at 781-875-3619. Thank you.